Right, yep, look, we're at a new place. I think my camera's dirty. New place, new video. We're at Willow Fields, just in Haxey and Doncaster. Here's everybody. Here, Mum. Say hello.
Hello, we're here.
You're on camera and they can see you. Say hello.
Hello. Sorry, I'm watching them down there. He's stuck.
Is he?
Yeah, he's just had to put a ramp thing underneath his wheels.
Oh, hang on, I'm going to have to go and help someone, I think. Yeah, going to have to be a quick, short clip this anyway, because my phone battery's low and I've got to charge it yet, so it won't be till later. So anyway, catch you in a bit. Ta-da. Right, we're all having a game of football as the night's drawing in. 8 o'clock.
And now they fall on my face.
I think we should have a kick. What do you think? Kick it over here then. Leave it. And it's here. Oh, Mum missed it. Huh?
They do it with a goal. Do it with just there.
Say hello.
Hi. Hello. I'm playing football.
You on the hard stuff?
They go to our arcade down there.
Oh, it's a big campsite, isn't it, guys?
They go to that arcade down
No,
there.
it's not open, mate. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
God, it's so quiet, isn't it? Really?
Bye-bye, miss.
I think Nan's better off down this end.
Yeah, I think she is. I can see the rainbow.
Oh, that's gone a different way as well. Oh yeah, can you see the rainbow?
Nanny, the rainbow.
If that was only true.
We can't go down there. See,
Nah, too far away.
Treasure.
Too far, yeah, there is. But it's too far away.
Yeah, there's some treasure down there.
Not down, it's right over that big hill.
I think so. Need see. Need get closer and closer
Guys, that's
to
what I'm
it.
wearing.
What?
Fortnite. Fortnite motor.
Yeah, that's all I've got to say about that. Oh, it's coming to me. Is it going to stop? Is it going to stop? Yes, it did. It did.
Be careful, Dad.
They do it with your hand leg.
No.
Do it with your hand leg after.
How can I do? I can't do it with my bad leg, Andrew. Oh, I'll end up breaking it again.
And Daddy don't want me going to the hospital now.
No. Yeah, fire's on now, look. And I just got it going, so take a while for it to get going properly. Are you feeling cold?
I'm freezing.
Look at Ella, she's even worse. Look at you, look like a garden gnome.
So I think the other one up as well.
Yeah, get back to you when this is going a bit better.
Nice and warm.
Oh, look at that fire now. Tina's just gone to get some more logs. Lovely fire, feel the heat off that though. Lovely and warm. And guess what? We have a bottle of bud. Cheers! Ah, lovely. Oh, we're roaring now.
It's
It's on fire, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Blow it.
Bugged it out. Burnt it.
Blow it. Roaring fire now. Nice good fire. Well, nice and warm now. Hey, oh, you've actually took your hood down and warmed up.
A little bit.
You can even feel that.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. I got marshmallow. Bit of
Harvey.
burn. Hi.
turn round and see the sky. Look at the colours, pinks and purples and everything, and a rainbow. That's good. Nice blue sky, and then that's around us. Might be a nice day tomorrow. Good, it's red sky. Isn't that nice?
Red sky at night, shepherd's delight.
Hello everyone. Whilst we're here with the fire, there, look. Actually still looks like it's daylight, like the sun's out here, but it's starting to get a bit dusky now and dark. But I thought I'd give a fellow friend, or family member should I say, brother from another mother as they say, even though he's old enough to be my father, our lovely friends Chris and Sammy. Hello, hello, and cheese. What? No, I'm not. And let's not forget good old Rambo. Cheers to you both, and Rambo. Very funny. They're also... Can you hear me mum in the background there, Chris? Copying you? Well, trying to. Right? Flipping dopey. But they've got a YouTube channel if anyone wants to go and check it out. I'll also put it up the top. Chris and Sam living the dream. They've got themselves a little camper now. They had obviously a big Bertha, a big motorhome, but they've got a little camper now, so they're going to be starting to use that more often. So, going to have a camp soon, buddy. Not sure when. We'll sort something out. But if anyone else wants to shout out, put it in the comments or write it down. I'm sure someone in the past has asked for a shout out, but I can't remember who you are. I've completely forgotten. So if you are someone on here that wanted to shout out, just put in the comments to remind me, because I'll end up forgetting. So anyway, love and leave you all for now. Catch you in a bit. Hey up everyone. On my own. It's only 11:15. You see me? Everyone's gone to bed. I'm just waiting for this fire to die out. I've got much left, look. So, I'm just using the sun blister torch I've had before. Really good. It's my old one. First one that I got. No, so I might as well say night now, wouldn't I? So I'm just only sitting here on my own, waiting for this fire to go. And then once it's gone down, we may as well go and chill in the awning or something. So, yeah. So good night everyone. And don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like, give us a comment, and don't forget to share. We need to get the channel out there. Let's do it. And it's all completely free. Look weird, don't know what it is. Ooh. Put it a bit further away. Only got one eye though now, haven't you? I don't want to put it too close because it's too close to fire. So anyway, do all that good stuff for us. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night everyone. Love you to bits. Ta-da.